Island's in. A lot of you would not call this an island. Apparently it's called something else because it's not actually on its own. I still call it an island. It's my island. So, got that in place. We've got a couple of tool units in place. This long section, we've got lights. Everyone see? We've got lights. This is going to be the last little run through before I show you the finished product. We've got a lovely pull-out bin hole. Come check this. Oh, beautiful. We've got a lovely Frankie sink cooker tap here. Over this side, we have got an induction hob with a built-in extractor. You've got these lovely stainless steel plum drawers, lovely whitewashed oak veneer hardwood lipping to get your bevels. We've already had the architect come round today, not this architect, a different one. So have a little nose. And I think we've got a job to price in a couple of months for a new kitchen. So that'd be nice. We've got the Siemens ovens in. Yes, these ones have Wi-Fi. So if you're not home and you want to randomly put the oven on, I believe you can do that with these. Don't know why, but they've got it. Why not? Lovely little pull out. Same sort of theme here. We've got the Corian 40mm worktops. Template guy coming next Tuesday or Wednesday. So we'll let him crack on. These will all be ready for him. Little bit of framing to do here above the dishwasher. And then you've got this lovely, call this a J-groove. J-groove handle detail here, mitered edge on that side. Check that. LED strip there, this will be on a sensor very soon. Again, some nice little drawers inside here. Also, just before I move on, you're gonna have the same, let me grab one. Voila. So that is basically the theme there. You're going to have these infills in, obviously glued, and I'm going to clamp them in. And then you have the same in and other gaps. So don't worry about the gaps. We've got that sorted. Last little bit. We've got these lovely beveled cheeks to match. This little detail is still not finished. We're going to be finishing that off Monday. So this bevel allows you to have this American fridge flush with your doors. Yeah, you see that? Ha 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 ha! So yeah, that's nice. We've got a flush door to go in here. So this is going to be one big deep unit. It's going to have an extractor fan in it. It's going to house the wash machine and tumble dryer. On top, another big unit, but you will have two nice big doors to match these two. Yes, we've got some bracing on this because we've got this panel stuck today. So yeah, take them off Monday. We're very close. It's going to look very lovely. Stay tuned. Stick around. I'll show you the finished product on the last video. Like and follow for more. Ciao Bella.